Entities. An entity refers to specific information or data that the chatbot can identify and extract from user input. Let's consider this example of antivirus software products. If the user query is about antivirus software products, based on this user input, the flow starts by pointing to the first quick reply and providing the two antivirus software product details. Then the user will select one of the options and he will proceed to the next step. But what if the user is specific about the user input? Suppose the user directly searches for McAfee products. In that case, we need to autoskip the first quick reply and directly trigger the McAfee products. For example, user input is McAfee Total Protection. In this sentence, the entities are McAfee, McAfee Total, and McAfee Protection. By training your bot on these specific entities, it enables the bot to answer questions like this accurately. Entities are primarily utilized to bypass prompts and provide suggestions to users once the bot identifies the relevant entity. For more information on configuring entities for this purpose, follow these steps. To add entities, go to Studio in that select the Train section in that select Entities section and click on Add New Entity. The Yellow.ai platform offers 3 different types of entities: text, list, regex. Text type entities. Text type entities are suitable for use cases where there is no specific list or predefined format of entity items required. They can be employed when the context calls for extracting specific text values without the need for a list or regex type entities. Add regex type entities. Regular expressions or regex in entities are patterns that are used to identify and extract specific text patterns from user inputs. Regex allows you to define rules for matching and capturing text based on patterns or formats. Add list type entities. List type entities refer to a specific type of entities that are used to recognize predefined lists of values. These entities are designed to identify options from a predetermined set of choices. For example, in this case, the entities are McAfee Total Protection. Ideally, when all possible distinct values of the entity are known, a list type of entity can be used. Select Type as List and click Add List Item. Add a name for your list and enter the items in synonyms. For instance, McAfee Total Protection. In order for the bot to identify and understand the entities, it is essential to add the entities and train the bot specifically on those entities. Train the bot on entities. Once you add entities, you need to train your bot on the same. To train entities, click Train Entities on top. Select the model type. The bot can be trained in English and multiple languages. Multi-language training works only for text-type entities. Enable fuzzy search for the bot to conduct searches for text that closely matches a term, even when there are slight misspellings. For instance, if you perform a fuzzy search for road, it will identify terms with similar spelling, such as ride or node, rather than strictly requiring an exact match. Click Train. You can even update entities. You can update the entities at any point in time. And also click on Edit. Make the required changes and click Update. We can import entities. You can import the entities from an external source. The file to be uploaded should be a CSV file with 2 headers, name for the item name and synonyms for comma-separated synonyms associated with the item. Export entities. You can export entities from our platform for backup or integration purposes. Entities will be downloaded into your system as a CSV file. Note: import and export actions are available only for list-type entities. Delete entities. Click Delete followed by another Delete button. Autoskip prompts and simplify interactions with entity-based suggestions. Entities offers simplified conversations by providing autosuggestions based on identified entities. This process enhances the user experience by minimizing unnecessary interactions. For instance, if your bot has been trained on the McAfee entity, it can offer relevant suggestions when the customer mentions McAfee in the user input. To add entities to skip prompts and offer suggestions, click Make Prompt Smarter on any prompt node. Under Autoskip, select the preferred entity. Click Save. Now let us test it on the preview bot. Case 1. When the user input is an antivirus software product. Bot is showing available antivirus software products. Case 2. When the user input is McAfee Total Protection, then the bot will autoskip the types of antivirus software products and directly shows the McAfee related products.